Hello, this is Howard Berger, and I'm here to present a video, follow-up video actually, for the CTE, and this is going to be 45 and 60-degree perception cuts. Um, just a reminder that CTE is a good aiming system, and you have to get used to it like anything else. There is 3 lines required, so you may have seen some of the other videos, and I'll mention things like aim line and sight line and PX, which is parallax lines. These are 3 lines that pretty much gives you the position to shoot the ball. And you can say, well, I don't need 3 lines. I use you goes ball and it's only 1 line. But this, I think, is a little bit more accurate. So it's just a good way of learning how to hit balls in. And again, I'm just aiming at the ball, not at the pocket, so it gives me a little bit of a latitude. When there's a critical shot or a difficult shot, CTE will definitely give you a win for sure. But it does take time. It took me probably several months just to learn the basics. And I've been doing this for several years. So, I'm used to it. But again, once you start using it, those lines come almost secondary. You jump right in, and in a second or two, you could figure out the lines that needs to be done. Of course, the important things is the position of your bridge hand and your parallax, that's the thumb and the forefinger, to make sure. Also note that this is, I'm right-eye dominant, I'm a right-hander. If you're not, everything is in reverse. So it's like I said, it's a good way of learning, but it does take dedication to get it down. And once you do find your way, you'll see that you could do a lot of stuff with it. So here I am, I'm showing the 14 ball. And the CTE, as a reminder, it's broken up to 3 areas of equal distance. It's A, I'm looking at the B, and that's the C. There's also a little dot on both sides, which is equal distance where I'm pointing right now, which is called the 1/8 marker. And that's for very deep cuts. So they're all broken down to 15, 30, and 45, and occasionally 60. Most of the shots you have on an average table, average game, so it's 15 and 30. So you wouldn't have to worry about the other ones as much, but occasionally, of course, you need it. So if you need it, you have to use it. If there's someone that's in the New York City area and you're looking for lessons, look at the end of the video, and you can reach me by email for one-on-one lessons or even a group lesson, which would improve your group for sure. So if you're in the league, it's definitely worth a call or an email. Let me know, and I could give you spell it out what needs to be done. It does take several lessons to get started, but it's definitely worth it at the long term. So again, the CTE is pretty much, I think, the best aiming system besides, of course, ghost ball is more predominant. There's the V. If you look at the V, it's positioned behind the cue ball. My left leg is generally behind the cue ball, but it's the way you pivot your face to see these lines. You could almost like pivot one way or another, and it'll give you an idea. Now, I'm just showing this first shot. It's pretty much just a show, but this is a typical shot. I'm not going to even actually do the shot. I'm just going to show you how it would work. The next shot coming up will explain it to you. So this would be, at the end of the day, this is a 45-degree right cut, and sight line equals, basically, it's the half an inch from the object ball left edge, and you're aiming from the cue ball at a quarter of a tip off center. That's the PX line, and I'll explain it to you. But these lines put you in position. So here I am with the 4 ball. The lines are the same. So it's SL, it's half an inch to object ball left edge. AL is going to be center, cue ball to the A spot, which I'm pointing to right now. The PX is your line of the aim. That's where you're really actually aiming. So the PX is going to be on this. It's the quarter of the cue ball to the middle of the object ball, and you line up at a quarter of a tip off center at the PX, and then you pivot over. There you go, nice shots. Keep in mind also that some of these shots, like this shot, it looks like it's just close together, and it's like, it doesn't seem like it's even that big of an angle. But this is a serious angle. This balls are almost parallel to going into a side pocket shot, so that's the angle of it. It's like a straight line into the side pocket. This is a 45-degree left cut, so the AL changes over. Now it's a left cue ball edge to the C, which is 45, the SL, which is important, and you're stepping behind the AL and the SL lines. That's center cue ball to object ball right edge. And I'm pointing out some of these areas that you see when you aim at this kind of ball, you're aiming almost half an inch outside of the ball. It's a 45-degree. It's your aim line is going to be an outside of the ball. So when you're shooting this thing, your sideline would be about a half an inch off to the right of that object ball. And then you aim at that parallax, which is a quarter to the edge, and then shift over to center cue ball. Almost all the shots I'm making here end up as center cue ball, so keep that in mind. Now this is a nice deep cut. Again, the table doesn't look like it's a big deal, but you could actually bank this ball, but it's a pretty steep cut. The cue ball is located just about a little bit above the side pocket, and the 8 ball is just about next to that dot. So it's a tough shot. This is a 60-degree right cut. The sideline is the center cue ball to 3/4 the left of the object ball. So that's where I'm pointing now. It's actually, you're hitting almost 3/4 away from the ball itself. And then the aim line is center cue ball to right edge to the 1/8 spot. There you go. And the PX was a quarter of the cue ball to the left edge of the object ball. So here we have another shot. This is a 45-degree left cut. It's going to the corner, but it's actually pointing exactly to the side pocket. So if you're familiar with this kind of table, and this is an 8-footer, it's a pretty nice cut. So the AL, which is the aim line, is left cue ball edge to C. The sight line is center cue ball to a half inch of the right object ball. And of course the PX is a quarter of the cue ball to the right object ball edge. And it seems like a lot of stuff, but when you start doing this, it's really not. But if you want to make shots like that,